Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in 3-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get 2 videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 4, Video Part 3. Question number 29. Arrange the following in descending order. We can see denominators are same. Descending order, it means greatest to smallest. So which one will be the greatest? So 22 by 27 greater than 19 by 27 greater than 18 by 27 greater than 15 by 27. So where it is? It is in the option number A. 29th answer is option A. Question number 30. A vessel contains 20 liter solution, out of which 6 liter is hydrochloric acid and 14 liter is water. Represent the amount of hydrochloric acid out of total amount of the solution as fraction. So amount of hydrochloric acid is 6. Total capacity of the solution, that is 20 liter. After simplification with 2, as 2 is the common factor, so we will get 3 by 10. It is in the option number B. The 30 answer is option B. Question number 31. Find the like fraction from the following. So like fraction means whose denominators are same. So this 2 will be the like fraction, this 2 will be the like fraction, and it will be like with this one also. But this will not be the like fraction. So we can write 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. It is in the option number B. And we can write 3 by 7 and 6 by 7. It is not written anywhere. So we will go with the option B. 31 answer is option B. Question number 32. Which of the following fraction is in its simplest form? Simplest form of the fraction means there should not be any common factor between numerator and denominator. So if we check 15 by 36, so there is common factor 3 in this 2. There is common factors 4. There is 3. But in 8 by 17, there is not any common factor. So this will be the answer. Here is any common factor between 22 upon 33. So yes, sorry, 12 upon 33. So yes, 3 as the common factor. So 32nd answer will be option C. Question number 33. Josh watched 50 planes landing. Half of them were from Skyway Airlines. Represent the number of planes from Skyway Airline to the total of the fraction. It is already mentioned half of them from the Skyway Airline. Half, how can we write half? Half we can write 1 by 2. This is in the option number C. 33rd answer is option C. Question number 34. Write the following fraction in ascending order. Since we can see all the numerators are same, so bigger the denominator, smaller the value. Ascending means first we will write the smallest one, 1 by 16, less than 1 by 8, less than 1 by 4, less than 1 by 2. So 34th, where we can find it? It is in option number C. 34 answer is option C. Question number 35. Write the following number in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. So greatest will be 9 by 10 here. Fractions are like. Now 7 by 10, 5 by 10 and 2 by 10. Where it is? It is available in the option number A. 35th answer is option A. 36. Which one of the following is greatest? So we can see 1 by 4 proper fraction, 2 by 4 proper fraction, 1 by 3 proper fraction. And all the proper fractions are smaller than 1. So that's why 1 is the greatest among all. Option D will be the correct answer. 36th answer is option D. Question number 37. Pick the odd one out. It is 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. All the denominators are same. All the fractions are like, but it is 1 by 4. It is the odd one out because it is unlike respective to these fractions. That's why 37th answer is option D. Question number 38. Which one of the following is different from others? It is 9 by 4 improper fraction, 2 by 3 proper fraction, 6 by 5 improper fraction, 9 by 7 improper fraction. Only B is the proper fraction. So this should be different from the others. 38th answer is option B. Question number 39. Which one of the following figure gives the shaded part of circle equal to 3 by 4? So let's write the fraction of the circles. This is it's a shaded part 1 by 4. This one 2 by 4. This one 3 by 4. And this one 4 by 4. So our required answer is option C. 39th answer is option C. Question number 40. In a can, 16 liter is milk out of 20 liter capacity of can. Okay. Which of the following gives the fraction of milk in the can? So 16 liter will be numerator, 20 liter full capacity will be denominator. Simplify it with 4 because 4 can come in the table, can divide both the numerator and denominator. It will be 4, it will be 5 upon 5. Where it is? We can see it is in the option number A. The 40 answer is option A. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.